Hey traders, welcome back to another honest EA review. We'll be looking at the gold mining EA MT5 by Mohammed Sabraj. This is a great style expert advisor that is heavily marketed for gold USD on the M15 time frame. It's priced around $250 on MQ5 market, and the developer positions it as a smart protected grid system with advanced drawdown controls. Now let's break it all down step by step, no hype, just what you need to know. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, the developer describes SJ Gold Mining EA as a fully automated grid trading expert system optimized specifically for gold. At its core, it uses a dual indicator entry system, which is a built-in proprietary indicator combined with RSI confirmation. That means a trade only opens when both agrees, which they say dramatically cuts down false signals or entry. Before any trade fires, there's a full entry filter stack, which is first an EMA filter. The price has to be on the correct side of both fast and slow EMAs with separate logic for buys and sells, and an ADX filter that requires the ADX to be above a minimum level to confirm real trend strength and avoid flat ranging markets. And finally, an SL filter, which price needs to be near recent H1 or D1 support or resistance levels for better mean reversion setups. And once you're in a trade, it switches to the intelligence grid engine that auto adds position as price moves against you, averaging at configurable distance intervals. There's also a max open trade limit to prevent runway exposure and an emergency profit close that exits the whole grid once it hits a minimum dollar target when all levels are filled. Now, the developer claims the trend reversal drawdown control indicator flips to the opposite side while a grid is in drawdown, activating a three-stage response, that is, freeze new grid orders, progressively lowers profit targets as drawdowns deepens, and can hard exit if floating loss hits certain threshold, all with confirmation bars to avoid noise. They really emphasize this goes well beyond a standard grid. And let's move on to its features and settings. You've got auto money management that scales lots with your balance, risk percent options, margin guards, dynamic stop loss that can be fixed, PIP or ATR adaptive, grid average stop loss, and a two-phase trailing stop. Now you can go through the description and key features for proper understanding and how to apply them while you are trading. They also feature an economic news filter that connects to a live news feed. Now, for the specification, before we move on to my backtest result, they claim it works better on gold USD on the M15 time frame and a 0.01 base lot and minimum average of 1 is to 100. As you can see here, simply run on gold USD M15 time frame using default settings. Let's go over to my backtest results. Starting from its settings. Now you can see the symbol gold USD on the M15 time frame over the period of 1 year with a leverage of 1:100. Looking at my equity graph, it starts relatively stable but has some noticeable dips where equity drops below balance, which is typical of great averaging, and then it climbs back up overall. It ended with about $6,800 in profit, which is solid growth on paper, but looking at the stats, the profit factor is just about 1.17, total trades 308, and the win rate is low at 49.68%, approximately 49.7%, with more loss trades over profit trades. Our gross profit is at $6,800. So it takes a lot of winners to overcome the losers. Maximum balance drawdown hit 39%, equity drawdown around 41.6%. It's not catastrophic, but definitely not the smooth, low BD curves you sometimes see in the promo page images. The thing is, this matches what you expect from a great EA on gold. In ranging on choppy periods, it grinds out recoveries nicely. In stronger trends, those drawdowns build while it averages and wait for the reversal logic to kick in. Honestly, the protection sounds good on paper. Reversal freeze, progressive targets, equity stops, and all that. But in live trading with real slippage, spreads on gold, and new surprises, they can only do so much. Now, my realistic verdict is a capable grid system with better safeguards than many basic one, but it's still great trading on volatile gold. Call fitting risk is there if you're optimizing heavily, and broker execution quality matters a ton. In fact, expect periods of floating drawdown and be prepared for 30 to 40% plus swings. Now, this indicator, this EA, is suitable for experienced traders who understand averaging systems, can size position properly, and actively monitor or set tight risk rules. If you're new, risk averse, or chasing super smooth equity curves for prop challenges, it's better you pass on as there are less stressful options out there. Now, what do you guys think? Have you tried gold mining EA or any other gold grades EA? Kindly drop your experience in the comments and let me know which EA you want reviewed next. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't forget to grab that free multi-indicator robot from the description. Thanks for watching. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.